Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. How international truck design shaped American trucks. When you think of American trucks, strength and durability likely come to mind. But what if we told you their iconic designs weren't built in isolation? International influences have quietly shaped the trucks we see on U.S. roads today. From styling to engineering, the global exchange of ideas has played a critical role in refining what makes American trucks so distinct. Understanding this connection not only highlights the evolution of these vehicles but also shows how collaboration drives innovation in the automotive world. A brief history of international trucks. To understand the influence of international trucks on American models, we first need to look at how these vehicles came to prominence. International trucks didn't just appear overnight, they emerged out of necessity, innovation, and the demand for reliable transportation. Their history serves as a foundation for much of today's truck design and performance. The rise of international trucks in the early 20th century. In the early 1900s, the world was undergoing massive change. Industrialization was picking up speed, and with it came the need for better transportation solutions. Trucks were quickly recognized as essential for moving goods efficiently, whether across town or across borders. Around this time, international trucks began to gain traction as dependable workhorses. What set these trucks apart in the early days? Durability and load capacity were key. Unlike their lighter, passenger-focused counterparts, these vehicles were designed for hard labor. Imagine farmers hauling grain, builders transporting materials, or businesses delivering supplies. International trucks were created to handle these demanding tasks without breaking down. Another driving factor in their rise was global trade. With economies becoming more interconnected, there was a growing need for vehicles that could adapt to varying road conditions, climates, and terrains. International trucks catered to these needs. They were built to be versatile, a trait that later influenced American truck design. Global manufacturers also began sharing ideas, and that cross-pollination helped refine features like suspension systems and powertrains. Simply put, the rise of international trucks wasn't an accident. It was the result of innovation meeting demand. These vehicles were purpose-built to get the job done, and their reliability made them a cornerstone of industrial transportation. International trucks and the post-war market. Fast forward to the 1940s and 50s. World War II had just ended, and the global economy was shifting gears. In this post-war era, rebuilding and expansion were top priorities. International trucks stepped up to meet the new demands, playing a significant role in farming, construction, and long-haul transportation. The war had driven advancements in manufacturing and engineering, many of which translated directly to truck production. Builders started to experiment with more powerful engines, better fuel efficiency, and specialized designs for different industries. For example, trucks for agriculture might feature enhanced storage space, while those for urban deliveries focused on maneuverability. These developments weren't limited to one country. Global collaboration meant truckmakers borrowed the best ideas from each other. Post-war prosperity also led to growing consumer expectations. People wanted trucks that worked harder but also offered comfort and style. International trucks adapted by blending practical features with modern designs, seeding the idea that a truck could be rugged and refined at the same time. This shift indirectly influenced what American manufacturers began prioritizing in their own models. Additionally, the rise of highway systems around the world made long-distance hauling more important than ever. Trucks needed to be reliable over hundreds, sometimes thousands of miles. International trucks, known for their endurance, became a popular choice for companies expanding their shipping operations. This focus on reliability eventually worked its way into the DNA of American trucks, ensuring those values of toughness and dependability stuck around. What can we learn from this era? The post-war market reshaped how trucks were built and used. It introduced innovations that still define the industry today, bridging the gap between form and function. International trucks laid the groundwork, and America took plenty of notes. Key design elements imported from international trucks. Global collaboration has long been a driving force behind truck design. International trucks, in particular, have introduced practical solutions that significantly altered how American trucks are built and perform. From streamlining the way trucks move through air to integrating cutting-edge technology, these borrowed concepts have made American models stronger, smarter, and more efficient. Aerodynamics and fuel efficiency innovations. If you've ever noticed the sleek, sloping designs of newer trucks, you've seen the influence of international models. European and Asian truck manufacturers, especially, prioritized aerodynamics earlier than many of their American counterparts. Why? Fuel costs have traditionally been higher abroad, making efficiency a critical focus. By adopting features like curved cabs, adjustable air deflectors, and smoother bodylines, international trucks improved how air flows over the vehicle. This reduces drag, increases speed, and, most importantly, saves fuel. When these ideas made their way to American trucks, they didn't just lower operational costs for fleets, they also helped meet tightening fuel efficiency regulations. Take the integrated roof fairings seen on international models. These simple-looking additions cut down wind resistance and became a common feature in American truck designs. It's a subtle change, but one that pays dividends over hundreds of miles on the highway. It's like swapping bulky hiking boots for streamlined running shoes. You move faster, using less effort. Today, it's clear that these international aerodynamic advances transformed how American manufacturers think about design. Trucks are no longer just about power, they have to be efficient, too. Structural durability and load optimization. International trucks built their reputation on durability, often designed for extreme conditions and challenging terrains. Manufacturers abroad focused on creating trucks that could handle heavy loads without compromising structural integrity. They also prioritized optimal weight distribution, ensuring that even high-capacity hauls wouldn't stress the frame or suspension. American trucks borrowed these ideas and ran with them. Modern weight distribution systems, like multi-axle setups, are directly inspired by designs from international fleets. These systems prevent overloading and ensure trucks remain stable, even on uneven roads. This concept, while straightforward, greatly improves safety and extends the lifespan of the vehicle. Materials also played a big role. Europe's focus on lightweight yet durable materials, like high-strength steel, pushed American manufacturers to rethink how their trucks were built. Using less weighty components without sacrificing toughness allowed for higher payloads and better fuel efficiency. It's the same principle as using a lightweight suitcase for travel. You don't want the container itself eating up all the available capacity. So, when you see an 18-wheeler hauling an impossibly heavy load without breaking a sweat, you can thank international innovations for laying the groundwork. That's it for part 1. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive deeper into the legacy and impact of these designs. See you soon. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.